Do you ever struggle to find the energy and motivation to start the day, wishing you had more energy in the morning and more time to get everything done? If so, then you're not alone. Many of us struggle to find a perfect morning routine, and I am no exception. So after doing some searching, I found some ways that can help start the day right and efficiently. I know that changing your habit does not happen in one day, and that is completely normal. So if it's hard at first, try to change one habit at a time, and when it becomes normal, go on to the next one until you finally create your perfect morning routines. The first thing you should consider is your sleep schedule. The one thing you can't take back in your day is time, so if you want to have more time, you need to wake up earlier. When waking up early, you will have more time for yourself to do all the things you want to do. It can help start your day more relaxed and motivated than just simply waking up. But of course, if you want to wake up early, the first thing you should do is sleep early. You don't want to sacrifice your sleep just to have a perfect morning routine like everyone else, because if you don't sleep enough, what chance you get to keep that perfect morning routine if you wake up just to fall back to sleep? You are the only one who has power over your time. So, adjust your sleep schedule so that you feel most comfortable when waking up. The first thing you do when waking up is not pick up your phone to see how many notifications you got, but instead, drink a glass of water. Let's say you sleep 6 or 8 hours, which means no water had entered your body over that period of time, which will lead to dehydration. That is why you feel tired when waking up. So drinking water when waking up not only helps you rehydrate, but it also has many benefits like boosting your mood, good for weight loss and your skin. So if you want to do a light walk when waking up, then go to the kitchen and drink a glass of water, and if you don't, just simply put that near your bed so you can drink it right after waking up. After that, you can do normal things you do every day like washing your face and brushing your teeth. The next step is to take a shower. But it's not a warm shower, it's a cold shower. Taking a cold shower in the morning will lower your body temperature, keeping you awake. It also helps many benefits like enhanced blood circulation, helps to wash away toxins in your skin when you sleep at night, and helps improve the immune system. So why not give it a try? You'll be sure to feel more energized throughout the day. After a shower, you can go meditate. Why meditate after a shower? Because you want to be fully awake when meditating. If you meditate when not fully awake, the next thing you will find is yourself falling back to sleep. When meditating, you can think about what makes you feel happy, like your loved ones, or the vision of your dream life. It can help start your day in a good mood and not be depressed, because you can only be either happy or sad. You can't be both at the same time, right? So why not start your day on a positive note by meditating? Don't need too much, just 10 to 15 minutes and you be good. When you get your mind well prepared and ready for the day, it's time to get your body to be ready as well. You can start your workout. It doesn't have to be a hard workout, something easy on your body like a light jog to get your blood flowing will do, and after that is the most important step. Don't skip your breakfast. Eating breakfast will help your body have the energy to stay focused and productive throughout the day, so skipping it can have a negative effect on your body. Eating breakfast can improve concentration, alertness, physical performance, and the ability to learn. If your body is always in a state of fatigue, it will be difficult for you to concentrate and react more slowly. When choosing a breakfast, try to include foods that are high in protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates such as bread, oats, rice, as well as vegetables and fruit. The next thing you can do is create a to-do list for the day. By creating a to-do list in the morning, it can help organize your job and time better, and you are more likely to get them done. Don't need to go too far and plan out every second of your day, just need to write down something you want to accomplish on that day. By doing that, you can track all the important things you need to do without having to feel that you may have missed something. And by crossing job after job off your list will make you feel more accomplished and more motivated to continue your day. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you enjoy, feel free to subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.